Alright, hello, I am back with Risk of Rain 2. Just hopefully I managed to fix my earlier audio issues, which were causing me major headaches. Just checking some things on, and here we go. I truly hope that this all works as it should. Oh, I need to change my text. I have the wrong game on my goddamn OBS as well. Forgot about a lot of things. What was my thing called even? I'll just say Risk of Rain 2 and then remove this. Whoop. Yeah, sorry about the sketchiness with this whole stream. It's a fucking mess. The audio thing's driving me crazy, and I forgot to deal with this even. Because I didn't notice the other stuff before. It's just like, okay, I did some changes, so I hope it's going to be okay. But yeah, no, it wasn't. Okay, let's try this now. And it seems to be a local system and not the stream itself. So hopefully I can continue with this. Where are all of the enemies at? Why do they always spawn behind me? It's so annoying. Okay, I need to get more money from somewhere. Okay, let's go get some money. Oh, there's a enemy. Nice. Yeah, this extra damage close by thing is really good for me. Perfect. Now I just need to fly. Well, I went a bit too far, but... Oh, there's money there. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. This is going to give me damage. I need to get out of here. I need to get out of here. I flew way too far. Can we go? Thank you. That is a waste of time, and I took damage from it, so... That's not great. And now the difficulty went up, so... Now my damage isn't as good as it once was. Okay, now I should actually be able to go and get some item stuff, no problemo. Okay, this should give me some health. Although not in danger, but that's fine. Oh fuck, I missed that. Okay, then we'll go for this. And we move. I just need to wait here until I get this stuff. Yeah, I shouldn't go down to places like that one. Yeah, I want that. That gives me some XP and money. Perfect, there's so many boxes here. Oh, look at that. Nice, I got two at once. That's what I always try to do when I can. Yeah, and then I think we can go find the portal next. Oh, but there's a... We should get that thing as well. We should get a bunch of XP. While I have a good opportunity to, I should try to go for actually getting shit. Perfect. Now I'm very close to level 7. No, not again! Not again! Not again! I keep flinging myself way up wherever to, like, shit, and then I take damage. Because, you know, I swing myself to bad places. How much does it take? 107. Okay, and for some reason I'm below that now. Let's go above it then. We have some enemies here. And I leveled up. Nice. Oh yeah, I should take the money. It can also give me some XP at the end. Okay, where's the portal? We just head for the portal now. If there's items in the way, on the way, then I take those, but otherwise... Okay, yeah, there's one there that I can easily get. Oh, fuck, I'm out of money. Well, I can get money then. No problemo. Yeah, now I can go get it. I do want to have a reasonable supply of stuff. Perfect. Okay, we get this and we go for boss fight. Whoop. Okay, let's go for the... Where's the portal? Here. Okay, and then we place axe. We place that. Oh yeah, we do some good damage with that attack. Okay, I should do this. Kill all of these while I'm here. And that thing's dead. Perfect. Dead. That's some good XP as well. We are level 8 now. I think I'm doing okay-ish. Yeah, these first few levels are easy. Our first two. The third one is a bit harder. The fourth one is a bit again harder. The final level, like, is where it actually gets hard. Like, the actual final boss battle is where I find things to actually get difficult. Yeah, I'll kill enemies while I'm here because the money does give me some XP. And the actual killing also gives me some XP. Not too much at this point because I'm fairly high level, but still. It's better than just sitting around doing nothing. That's for sure. So far I'm also not having an audio issue, so I might have been able to fix that. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Let's see what we're at. Yeah, level 9. That's good, I got to level up that far. Oh, there's some money. I should get that before the killing part. Yeah, and then we go for killing. Perfect. Oh, there's more enemies already. Oh yeah, this one has like pre-spawned enemies. That is pretty good for me. Whoop. Oh, and yeah, we one-shot those. That's good. With this attack. I know where the portal is. That is also a good thing. And my normal attack is really weak. That's the only problem. I mean, it's sufficiently good for these damn things, but not for much else. Perfect. We get that. Then I should... Oh, there's one of those things. Yes, you died. Perfect. Come on. Don't let me take your existence away from you. Okay, so it's going to hurt you now. That's fine. Okay, I'll go up. I'll just... Oh, there's a box there. Okay, I'll go for getting that. Perfect, got 2 of those. Oh no, I didn't get this one. Well, I got it now, so they're dead. Okay, got another one of these. I guess I have good like outside of danger healing if I need to like ever back off. Like a fight. Perfect, I go up. Or I go find a way up. Yeah, I don't need those things because I have my own way up. I go get this, and I go for the boss fight. Ah, I went too far with the swing. I am quite bad at, you know, the whole being fast things. Yeah, I can get that fast item there just after I manage to. Okay, bam. Oh, this is tough, actually, right now. Well, the good thing is I can farm a ton of damage at once. Yeah, this one, it's hard for me to kill that, for whatever reason. I am actually struggling with getting damage done to that. The good side though is that, like, while I can't get much damage to it, I can damage the other things nearby. The third one gets a lot more difficult due to this, but I think I'm fine. I'm not taking like insane damage. Okay, perfect. I am still in control. And at the very least, this thing does give me like good XP and all that. Perfect. I go up. I get some of these on the way. I only got one, but that's fine. Yeah, I'm doing totally fine on health and shield and stuff like that, so like I'm clearly not like defensively underpowered, but my attack is not doing amazing. And all the other enemies here do kind of help with the shield thing. Perfect. Yeah, I go get the item here. Because why not? I guess I just want some more damage. I need to power up my like normal attack as well. Oof. Good thing is I don't seem to be having a bunch of like emergencies. Okay, so we get Siren Skull. You spawn up, which is in Australia also this level like spawns boss enemies around, so that's fun. Yeah, the important is start seeing bosses. In this case, it's this thing. These things are nice to kill. Okay, I should go through and kill those things while I'm at it. What am I climbing to? Okay, I'm climbing to that. Fair enough. Okay, I'm doing all good. Perfect, I got that. That gives me some nice starting cash. Oh yeah, one of these as well. These things are fun. That must have too much health though, so I'm pretty okay with killing that. Yeah, it's not too weak now with this. Perfect. That thing's actually okay enough. I guess I should get this. That one is not bad. It like does some area damage from attacks at attack like 1 thing. Perfect, I can get a few items and then I can go for the boss fight again. Some money. Where is the boss fight? That is the question. I mean, there's a secret boss fight, but I'm not doing that now. I've already done it, so I've gotten like the stuff from it. Yeah, you just egg things and you get like a special boss fight. Okay, after a good item. Not a good item, it's a crap item, or it's good for boss fights, but it's bad for anything else. It doesn't do anything for anything else. Simple reasons. Oh no, I missed that. Well, I want to kill you still, so that's what I'm doing. How is that thing not dying, even if it's a weak attempt? Yeah, I really missed the enemies there. The good thing is now I have some more enemies dead, and I have some more cash, and I have some more XP. Perfect, you're dead. I see where the portal is. So I can start hitting there. An ultimate item wouldn't be bad now, but I haven't found any yet, so... Where are all of the item boxes though? Not wherever I have been, doesn't matter. I'm not spending extra time searching for them. Okay, I have like 2 extra boss fighting items, but I don't have normal fighting items. Oh, speak of legendary stuff, or like the ultra ability, sorry. I have this now. I can just boss fight use that. That should save me some trouble. I actually didn't read what that one was, so but I think it's like the... Oh yeah. It's like a drone thing. Perfect. Just go and try to maximize my damage. Get through the boss fight quickly, like... Speedrun the boss fight to oblivion. If I get this just fast, it will make the rest of the game much easier. Perfect. Oh no, I froze. Well, it's okay enough, I guess. Okay, I should go back in. Yeah, I mean, that boss fight went by quickly, which is a good thing. Oh no, I missed all of that stuff. Oh well. Let's kill this. Oh, I should get this thing. Okay. Oh, that seems pretty good. That's a useful ability. And the good thing is it's not like well, I have like a double ultra ability item. That's why I have extra of that. Okay, let's go. Get some XP out of that. Yeah, those should do damage. Try not to probably too much, but some damage. Then I have the final level. Yeah, I think I should go for the final battle with this. Yeah, I'm happy with my ultra item as well. That should help. Okay, where is the portal here? I guess I should get some more items before I go for that though. Oh yeah, they have magma worms here. Where is the magma worm? Because I don't have like insane damage. I just have like all around like good defense and shit. Oh no. Well, the thing is I don't actually take 4 damage, and I guess that counts as 4 damage, so I guess I'm okay. I can actually throw myself off edges and stuff safely, which is pretty funny. Where did the magma worm go? Did I kill it or like... Oh! Yeah, I'm not sticking around to like get those gold things. That are good items, but it can take forever to get. It's just a gamble, and I don't want to take gambles now. Because I'm doing reasonably. Yeah, let's go for the fights right away after the first round, because I won't survive until the second. I never do. That's an item. I have so many of those items now. Okay, I should get this. It's dealing damage, heals me. Which isn't horrible. Well, the boss fight... I wonder if the boss things apply... Like, boss fight... Like, items apply on the final boss. I would guess they do. I don't remember. I want to get a few more items before I go for the boss fight. Also, I don't know where the teleporter is, so... Okay, let's kill this, I guess. Um... Okay, is it there? No. Where is it? I guess I should just like head up. Or I'll head that way. Because there's some item boxes and stuff. There's like a thing that can launch me to the other side. Up at top of this thing, so I'll use that. Get the item box on the way and be on my way. Okay, so now I can get up here. Perfect, there's one more box. Oh, I have a speed boost out of combat thing. Yeah, my sprint is pretty fast. That's good. Yeah, let's go with this. Oh yeah, I think I might have found the... Oh no, this is just like shining in general. Such a deceptive thing. Oh no, here it is. Yeah, this one is hard. It's just like there's in general. Yeah, sure, let's activate it. Oh yeah, this one has that enemy. Let's try to avoid death here. I need to get behind it. That's the way to beat this one. It's a long fight. Okay, I should speed boost my ass up. Can I, like, get behind you somehow? I guess I can't. Okay, let's just drop. That should place me, like, okay, it placed me way below. Fuck. Okay, let's try to go up one level. Perfect, I managed to make it. More drone stuff to help me. I cannot get behind it, but I seem to be fine in front of it. Yeah, my defense seems to be doing very solidly for whatever reason. Yeah, my shield is doing very strong. Just kill it before I die. Perfect, then move on, move away. Oh fuck, I died. Ah, almost did it. Oh well. I think I'll end the stream here. I don't feel like doing anymore, but it was an okay run, given I haven't played this in a while. Should not have died there. I made a mistake, but goodbye and see you.